Ice cream. So if everybody's ready to do the chicken dance, these young ladies are going to help us out. Come on down here. Let's form a circle around these young ladies. Everybody, come on down here. Time to do the chicken dance. Come on down, do the chicken dance with these kids. Come on down here, everybody. It's chicken dance time underneath the pavilion. Come on in, underneath the pavilion. We're going to do the chicken dance. Oh yeah, we got our limbo coming up here in just a while too. We'll be doing limbo this morning. We're going to do the chicken dance here. Hang on, everybody. All right, chicken dancers, are you ready? And hands in the air, let's go. Come on. Now, if anybody gets lost, just take a look over at the Briganti stand. Frank's going to lead you. Oh, he's busy now. He's turning those hot dogs for those wonderful Michigans. Come on, hands in the air now. Here we go. Do-si-do, everybody. Do-si-do. Swing your partner. Swing your partner.
Go, Logan!
Let's put those hands together high in the air now. Come on. Come on, standing in line. Standing in line for tickets. Let me see you. Swing your partners. Do-si-do. Do-si-do. Swing your partners. Round we go. Round we go.
Logan, put your hands up.
Hands in the air, come on. Just like a chicken, come on. And do-si-do, once again, do-si-do. Swing your partners, do-si-do. Swing your partners. Here we go one more time. Starting off slow. Keep it going, keep it going. Get it faster now, get it faster. Hey, let's go, come on, come on.
Logan.
Faster now, faster. Out there. Now we're going to do the hokey pokey, so stay right there. And if you don't know how to do the hokey pokey, come on down here. We'll show you how to do it. This is real easy. Let's get everybody down here. Time to do the hokey pokey, everybody. Come on down, hokey pokey. Time to do the hokey pokey, everybody. Let's bring them down now.